Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share a specific video that it may be helpful in your case, which is how to create a Brevo account if you encounter an error during the account creation. Yes. Okay, let me show you the issue first. If you go or if you visit brevo.com, you will land on this page. If you try to sign up or click on sign up for free, fill your email address, password, and hit create an account. I remember that when I tried to do this months ago, I received that there are an issue with creating my account. I've tried multiple times during different days, and the error remained the same. What I did to create my account successfully, I've to create my account using sign up with Google. I clicked on sign up with Google. I selected one. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom builder academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Then sign up with Google. I clicked on sign up with Google. I selected an account, my Google account, and I followed the process. And after that, when I try to log in to my account, I simply click on sign in with Google, and automatically I select the same account, and I've created my account, and this is my way to sign up to my Brevo account. And this is how to encounter errors while creating your account in Brevo. If this simple tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to give this video a like, a comment, and thank you for this. See you in the next one.